Pipe cleaner squid is one of the easiest projects. Low effort, high reward. For this project, you'll need 7 pipe cleaners, fingernail clippers or wire clippers, googly eyes, and white craft glue. Start by cutting 2 of the pipe cleaners in half. They don't have to be exact. Bundle them together and make one fold in the middle. Now take another pipe cleaner, fold it in half, and add it to your bundle. Hold the bundle together and hold the end of another pipe cleaner about halfway from the top and the ends of the shorter pipe cleaners. Wrap it around and around, one coil right next to the other like a spring, till you get to the end. Do the same thing again, wrapping another pipe cleaner, one coil next to the other, over the previous one. Tuck in the end. Repeat the process one more time, this time adding a little extra to the top. Again, make sure you tuck in the end tightly. With the last pipe cleaner, you're just going to wrap it on the top third of the bundle to make the top of the squid where it's wider than the rest. This time it's important to bend the end and then tuck it into a coil so that it stays secure. Spread out the tentacles so you have the 8 short ones and the 2 longer ones. And then clip off the bottom inch, inch and a quarter of the 2 long tentacles. Now just give the end of each tentacle a little bend toward the back. The last step is to glue on some googly eyes with your white craft glue. You want to do it at the very bottom of the body and far apart so they're almost on the sides. Let the glue dry completely and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more great craft ideas.